it's Molly. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for being here. So tonight's piece is going to be a 2-canvas piece, and I'm using sky blue and navy as the base colors, and then with a pop of lime green. It's a smaller piece for a bigger commission. I'm testing it out. So the actual commission is 2 foot by 4 foot. I did not want to mess up on that one, so I am going small first. Before we get to the painting, I wanted to let you in on some big news. Some of you may have already seen it on our social media. I've been working with 2 great artists, Olga Sobey from Smart Art Materials and Rynska Dauna. And we are finally ready to let everyone know that this Tuesday, December 15th, we will be releasing our course that we've been working on. It's an online course. It has hours of instruction. We go over so many different things, and we've been working on it for so long. We go through the color wheel and color inspiration, and what do you do about muddy colors? We go over pouring mediums, consistency, even how to varnish, embellish, and what to do with skins. We talk about environmentally friendly things and how to build pouring containers. I mean, this course is jam-packed, and even Rynska Dauna goes over in detail how she does her Dutch pour method, and we've got 9 total techniques that we're going to be showcasing. So this is really a comprehensive course, whether you have no idea how to start, or whether you've been doing it for a while and you just kind of have some issues and there's some things that aren't sticking. I really think that this course is going to be amazing for the pouring community. So thank you so much for letting me share that news with you. I've been holding it back for a little while now. And without further ado, let's paint. All right, hello everyone. How exciting was that news at the beginning? Now, you're probably thinking, did she already paint these canvases? I have done this 3 times. 3 times I have tried this, and I think I figured out what it was. So what I'm doing is a light sky blue here and here, and what I was using was Prussian blue. But Prussian blue, again, is a very transparent color. And what was happening is the blue was light and was rising to the top, and it was just creating this design that I really didn't care for. So what I did is I made a blue that was similar. I used Prussian blue, and then I also mixed in some King's blue and some black to this, and I made a more saturated navy color instead, which is what the person wants. So what this is a commission piece, but the actual commission is 2 foot by 4 foot. So I'm really glad that I did this now and learned this, because if I had spent all that money on paints for that large of a pour, and then and then that happened, I would have been devastated. So at least now I know what to do for the large piece. So I'm gonna get these colors on the canvas, and then I will blow them out, and then I'll talk to you a little bit about the course and give you a couple of tips maybe for commissions as well. All right, let me I just mixed these paints again relatively fast, so there are a lot of air bubbles in here that I can see. So that's all the torch was doing. So let me blow these out. hopeful, but I do think that this painting is going to come out better than the last two. I can already kind of tell from the way that that the paint is covering and hanging on to the canvas. So happy about that part. So just be careful if you are using a completely transparent color. I like to put a little bit of an opaque color in there so that you get better coverage on the canvas. But we'll see. Maybe it could not be this. This is why I experiment and I play around. So I'm going to start up here. So this course was actually talked about, and we thought we were going to do this a while ago, honestly. And it's taken us this long to research and to make sure that it was really the best thing that we could put out there. It's got so much information. Okay, so I've got my sky blue, my navy that I made. This is phthalo blue, which is also transparent, and I'm putting some opaque white in here. So yeah, it talks about color selection, color inspiration, muddy colors, a bunch of troubleshooting sections, how to fix pen holes, what to do if certain things happen, consistency. It's got everything in it, honestly. We're really, really proud of it. Okay, so now I'm coming through. This is turquoise blue, and it's really funny. She sent me her pillows, and she said, this is the color inspiration. And it was this lime green, the sky blue, and the turquoise blue. How awesome is that? The colors are phenomenal. So I think I want the lime green to be the one that sits on top. So yeah, the information for the course will be available December 15th. And you'll be able to go and sign up and start watching immediately if you want. Or if you don't want. That's okay too. I appreciate you either way. All right. I wonder if I want just the tiniest bit of the, I don't know. Maybe I shouldn't have done that. I think I'll leave it be. I think I'll leave it like this. Okay, let me torch and then I'm gonna blow this out. Oh, this makes me so nervous after doing something so many times and wasting so many canvases and paint. Okay, wish me luck. I think that's what it was. I think the weight, I think the densities of the paint for that blue color, it was just too much. I mean, I was going through, did I change was it my water? Was it all kinds of things? I love this. I'm not touching it. I'm like looking for something to touch, but I'm not touching it. I'm done. All right, I'll show you. Amazing, honestly. the difference that one little thing did, adding a little bit of black and a little bit of King's Blue. And this is perfect now. Everybody said go slow, so I'll go slow through here so you can see everything. Look at that. And that bright pop of blue. Wow. This is really, really pretty. Oh, I love it. I've got one stand propping up both. Don't forget my paint stands are in my Etsy store at this point. They'll be here end of December, beginning of January to ship out. But they are available for pre-order. Wow, that in there. Oh, it's so pretty. I love it. Big and bold too. All right, I will show you the dried result. Okay, here they are. And y'all, they are still not dry. You can see that they're wet. It's taking like 3 or 4 days right now, honestly, for my paintings to dry, but you can see it is drying just as I left it. So what was happening was from, and I can't leave this up here too long, it was from that paint being totally transparent. So, I mean, I'm learning things still. But man, stunning. Absolutely gorgeous. And I actually like that they're blown out a little bit more. Well, I hope you like these, and I will show you my process for when I tackle those gigantic ones. All right. Thank you for watching. Happy painting. Bye.